All right. We see larch. Okay, well, 3 times now we thought we have made it to Lake Oesa, and we haven't.
Purple!
Beautiful purple rock. And we haven't. Every time we check the map, it's just a smaller pond. So this, coming up, will be Lake Oesa.
Just you? Yeah. Oh.
Get ready for the view. Wow. I don't know if you could panorama this one. It's too amazing. Okay.
Oesa. 2,263 meters. We made it.
Lovely. So, do we wade in or do we run all at once?
I don't even.
Okay, well, first thing we gotta do is look for goats, you guys. Let's do some serious goat hunting. We'll use my new Samsung S22 Ultra Plus. We're gonna look for goats.
Are you on a video still?
Live, yeah. It's live hunting. Alright, well, if anyone sees goats, just let me know. So far, nothing. Well, hold on. What is that? Snow. That's how you find glacier.
Maybe he likes the wild.
Well, I don't see any goats.
It was kind of surprising, like, oh, look at that chipmunk, when he said, oh yeah, there's 7 goats up here before.
What's that in the middle of the lake? Did you guys figure it out? Is it a goat swimming across?
It's not moving.
Okay, well, we're not actually at the lake yet. Let's get down to the lake. The end.